And then in goes whatever this is. Hi, welcome back. Probably keep the intro kind of short tonight. My main goal is to put the injectors back together, rotate the engine twice to get all the Martyr Mist oil out. Then we'll install the injectors that we rebuilt on the right hand side or passenger side and get everything hooked back up on it. And then we'll try to take the other ones apart, put an acetone bath. Acetone bath didn't last. It all evaporated, which is no surprise. So we'll just do it again. Maybe it helped. But we are going to get these clean off a little bit more with some carburetor cleaner, little brushes. Call it good. Anyways, let's get to work. All right, we're gonna attempt to put one of these together. Cast, leave me alone. Anyways, this is the bottom of the injector. I know. Bottom injector, it's empty. It has a little, I don't know what it is, but it's like a little washer. And it's supposed to go like that. I don't know if you can tell. There's like a bump and then a recess and another bump. And kind of hard to tell if you got it, which I don't think I did. I'm not sure if it makes a difference. There, I got it that time. And then in goes whatever this is. Assuming a little fine needle point on it. I don't know if you can tell right there in the center. That's where I figure don't want to mess that up. Anyways, it cleaned up fairly nice. That goes next in one of these things. Don't know what it is either. It goes on top of that, and then one of these like spring cap things goes on top of that, and that's your bottom part. Now these tops, I didn't get it out. This one has a copper spacer in it. Basically it looks like this. It's in there, and then your spring goes in it, just like that. And then these two go on top of each other. And you tighten it down. That's needs to be tightened, but that's how you do it, I guess. Anyways, let me get these all together. I ain't gonna waste your time going over each one, but basically that's how I took it apart, so I'm just gonna figure out how it goes back together. Like I said, I'll do these off camera, tighten them up, which you gotta tighten it really pretty hard, and then we'll turn the engine over, break the others apart, and try to put these in on that passenger side. So I'll see you in a minute. All right, we got those broken down, and the acetone bath. Probably empty by tomorrow, but I think that worked to get that carbon off. And I got these ready. So we're gonna hop over here. I'm gonna put a paint mark on one of these bolts. I'm gonna make sure it rotates twice. And after that happens, we're gonna put those injectors back on this side. Try to put those hoses on. I may need new clips, but at least get the injectors in and call it good for now. And we got them back in there. For some reason, these don't look like they did before. As in, these are more where the hoses go, one more in line. So I don't know if I did something wrong or what, but I know I probably need to look up how hard to torque them down. I just got them in there just tight with that, so something I'll have to look at. Hopefully I didn't mess them up. I got this rotated twice. A little bit more came out on the cylinders. I don't think anything came out of this side. But we'll put those back together. Probably won't videotape it. I'll probably just put these straight in and not bore y'all with taping it all. But so far, it seems to be doing pretty good. Just need to get the right torque for the injectors. Get all the hard lines back on, hoses. Probably gonna cut these belts off. Need to get an oil change for it, a new oil filter. I'll do that next time. And I'm gonna source the starter. This starter may be for it, I'm not sure. I'm gonna try to check it, see if it works. And if it does, we put it on there and crank the engine over for a minute. If everything goes good, then we may make sure that this fuel pump down here is not clogged, and run a hose to a little jug of diesel and see if we can't hear this thing around here in the near future, hopefully. Well, I think that'll do it for me tonight. Like I said, just kind of going through the motions, getting the injectors put back together, turning the engine over, trying to get all that stuff out of there. I'm gonna see if the starter will work for that engine. I'm not sure. It looks to be similar. I don't know if all starters are similar. Anyways, if it'll work, we'll hook it up and put all the injectors back in, make sure everything's tight, try to turn it over so we can't get it to start just for a few seconds and kill it. If you made it this far, thanks for watching. I post every Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Like I said, this kind of stuff. We'll get this going before too long, get the front end bolted up, and hopefully enjoy it. If you like old cars, this type of stuff, that's what channel's about. I got a Bronco back there that needs some work done on it, and a Healy behind it, and the Camaro out there needs started. So got plenty to do. The best way you can help me is if you subscribe. That really helps the channel out, helps me get more eyes on it, and hopefully we'll get a project on the road soon. Thank you again. Hope you have a good weekend, and I'll see you next time.